Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial. How to view Facebook messages without Messenger in 2025. With all the latest updates to Facebook, you might want to access your messages without firing up the Messenger app. Maybe to save battery on your phone or for a quicker check on your computer. This method is straightforward, secure, and works on most devices. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. Whether you're on Chrome, Safari, or Edge, make sure it's updated to the latest version for 2025 compatibility. Next, head over to www.facebook.com and log in with your credentials. If you haven't logged in recently, you might need to go through a quick two-factor authentication step for added security. Always a good practice. Once you're logged in, look for the Messenger icon at the top right corner of the page. It's usually a speech bubble or lightning bolt symbol. Click on that, and you'll be taken straight to your messages inbox. From there, you can scroll through your conversations, read messages, and even reply if needed. Pro tip: if you're on a mobile browser, switch to desktop mode for a fuller experience by tapping the three-dot menu and selecting Desktop Site. This makes everything look and feel just like the app. Now, a few things to keep in mind. In 2025, Facebook has enhanced privacy features, so messages might auto-delete after a certain time if they're end-to-end encrypted. Also, if you need to send files or use voice messages, the web version might have limitations compared to the app. Consider downloading Messenger only when necessary. And remember, always log out after you're done to protect your account. There you have it. Viewing your Facebook messages without Messenger is easier than ever. Give this a try and let me know in the comments if it worked for you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.